How to top up Tron in your Trust wallet. First of all, you can go to any other wallet you have on your device like Binance or Coinbase and open the send option by opening TRX or Tron. So now what you need to do is open Trust wallet and then search for TRX or Tron. Go ahead and tap on the search icon on the top right hand corner, and after that search for TRX. Once you do this, Tron will appear. Just go ahead and tap on it, and then you can see the option of receive. Go ahead and tap on receive. This is your address. You can either screenshot this or copy this quite easily. So after you have done that, you can go back to your previous wallet and paste that address, or you can easily open the screen record or the camera app, scan it from any other wallet, and then easily top up Tron in your Trust wallet like this. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.